What's up, riders? Old Man Ronin here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, we're in the shop today because it's mail day. You know, this is the first two letters I've actually got besides ads at the post office box. So I thought today would be a good day to try to open up and see what we got. The first one comes out of where? Tennessee, and it got some stickers and a letter and a couple business cards, I reckon. It's from a guy named Marshall 3498. I don't know if you can see that, but it says, "Dear Old Man Ronin, I really enjoy your channel and all the adventure bike content." He rides a Yamaha FJ-RL 300 and like to get an ADV bike in about a year. His two choices are a Yamaha Tenere 700 and an Africa Twin. Like you, I'm a moto vlogger myself with 780 subscribers and 242,000 views. My topics are all about motorcycles. Well, that's really cool, man. I appreciate it. And these will, I'm not sure, black, probably red, will go on the fridge there. What's the next one from? Let's see. This one's from, oh, Ireland. Yeah, check this out. Wow, first international mail. Well, first mail. But it's got a little letter, note on the back. It says, "Dear Old Man Ronin, myself and the group enjoy your channel. Well done. From the Royal Enfields of Ireland." I'll tell you, Janner Fox is the guy's name, from the Royal Enfielders of Ireland. And man, I really appreciate that. That means a whole lot. Let's see if we can get that in there, focus best we can. Royal Enfielders of Ireland. That's pretty awesome. Between Marshall and we're going to have a special place on the fridge, and we'll do that right now. Let's see, I think we'll start a line right below Ruckus Rides there for the Marshall. I decided to do the black on white. I think it's going to show up better. And for the Ireland, man, that's a nice sticker. We're going to stick him right below Marshall there. Well, that's awesome. Let's get a better look at it there. And you can see, yeah. Kind of excited. Our fridge is starting to slowly but surely fill up. We've got, you know, I'll tell you what, the guys down at Sky Power Sports there in Sanford were really cool when I went down and met them. So, yeah, if you're interested in sending me a sticker, guys, P.O. Box is in the description below. So let's get on the bike and ride a little bit. That's what we're here for, right? What a beautiful sunny day. You know, if you guys watched that video I posted on Wednesday about the headlights, yeah, you want to make sure you enter for that, because those headlights are really awesome. And I know that they're going to possibly work with me on a 7-inch, which I wonder what motorcycle I have that has a 7-inch headlight. But if you got a 5 3/4, man, I'll tell you what, they're awesome. And I'm pretty impressed with it. We'll have to see how, and we'll do a long-term review down the road with Em's bike and seeing how she's enjoying it, and we'll do a little interview with her. But this is the road I took to do the test on, and I'll tell you, it gets very, very dark back here because there's covered by trees. The road's covered by trees on both sides, and the fact that there's no edge lines and there's no center line. So you really, really need good headlights in situations like that. But you can kind of see here as we're swinging around the corner how hardly any of the sun is getting through as well either. And this is where I did the filming on purpose because of that. It's just a beautiful, beautiful road, because I like it. But I thought we'd get some gravel therapy in today, and I'm not sure if I'm going to title the video that or not, but we are heading to some gravel roads to get gravel therapy, and it's something I desperately need. Again, oh, there's a deer. Easy, girl. Don't get away from your baby too far. And that's why you have to pay attention. Because even in the bright part of the day, this time of year, you know, I had a picture on Instagram I posted a few days ago that shows a deer that I walked up on, and it's one of those type of things that she was guarding her baby, and you couldn't see the baby. Well, I could. It was flicking its ears laying on the ground there, but Mom was giving me the old, you know, stink eye because, you know, she didn't want to leave, because that way it would have maybe kicked the baby when she took off. But they're never too far from their young ones this time of year. Again, use that engine braking going down a hill. Don't be slamming on your brakes. If you do use a combination of front and back, I'd say slightly on the front and even slighter on the back. Front brake's the most important brake you have, guys. Oh, it's pretty down here in this little valley. Man, I needed some gravel therapy like today. Really did. This area here, I'm going to leave it on even though it's not gravel, because it's one of the prettiest roads back here. And you'll see what I mean here in a minute. Isn't it gorgeous? Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I really needed some back road gravel therapy, and I think we got it. Well, if you did, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification button, share and comment. And really comment now, because you got a chance to win those Suparee headlights. The 5 3/4 inch headlight that we're giving away. The details will be down in the description below. Make sure you follow that, because you need to like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and comment on the videos starting June 16th and ending on July 31st. And then we're going to do a announcement via live stream to let you know exactly who the winners are. Well, until next time, guys, ride safe, look at this beautiful countryside, and keep her on two wheels, baby.